Thank you, good people. We have another module on Salesforce called Contacts List View. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel. The subscription button is on your screen at the bottom right. After that, please allow all notifications. Please allow all the notifications after subscription so that you get all new Trailhead modules free on Salesforce. After that, we shall begin with the first unit. This first unit has only 4 learning objectives. Please read through the learning objectives. We have some screenshots here. Please read through all the notes so that you get the best out of this module. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. Why would a new contact list view need to be created? 1, a contact was deleted, so a brand new list view is needed. A saved list view can't be emailed. A filtered list of specific contact record is needed. A new contact list view is not an option. The right answer is B. What is the benefit of list view for contacts? Deleting unused contacts, sorting contacts based on filters, texting SMS with contacts, and viewing all opportunities. The right answer here is C. So why would the new contact list view need to be created? I think the right answer here is C. A filtered list of specific contact record is needed. What is the benefit of a list view for contacts? I think C. B is correct. Sorting contacts based on filters. So I'll check my quiz and get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to this channel to get free Trailhead modules. Until then, bye-bye.